Welcome back to Test Drive. I got a quick one for you today. Today, we're going to be doing yet another light upgrade on my F-150. If you've watched this channel for more than a minute, you know that I'm all about additional lighting or enhancements to the lighting on my F-150. I have aftermarket LED headlights, aftermarket LED taillights, the Boost Auto powered LED running boards, as well as a myriad of lighting accessories on the inside of my F-150. And today, we're going to do one of the finishing touches, and we're going to be installing the Boost Auto LED license plate lights. Boost Auto has been a great sponsor of this channel. I suggest you go check out their website. They have a myriad of things, not just for F-150s, but for any major truck that's out there. The quality of their products are top notch. I'm super excited to eventually get my hands on some of those LED door handles that they have, as well as the wireless charging they have. I mean, if they got it, I want it. I'm confident that these LEDs are going to last a long time. Removal of the lights is pretty easy. Inside there's two tabs closest to me, and if I pop those out, I can get access to the bulb, and then just by twisting, that comes off. Then if we pull out the bulb, all right, see some discoloration. It looks like it was pretty hot in there. We pull out the bulb, and we should be able to install these instead. What I like about this is it's the whole unit, so we won't be reusing this actually. So take it out. You can see the wires. It doesn't matter what way you connect them. Seat it well. And then you'll see there's the two prongs that we pushed on this side, and then the one on this side. This one goes in here first. Clip it in place. That's it. Super easy. I love these kind of enhancements to a vehicle. So now we're just going to repeat it on the other side. Let's do a quick comparison before we replace the other side. Here's what the old bulbs look like. This side was still working. And then if we pan over to the other side, oh, it is significantly brighter. Okay, same thing on this side. Stick your hand up. Pop the two clips, undo that and throw that somewhere. Take out the bulb, grab your new LED housing, plug it in. Again, it doesn't matter which way. Make sure it's seated firmly. Clip it into place. There we go. That's it, guys. I told you it was a quick one today. $40 of your dollars, 10 minutes of your time, and a significant upgrade to the rear of your F-150. I got a garage full of parts that you can't see off camera here. They're going to be going on the F-150 and my BMW. It's floating around in the background here sometime very soon. So if you haven't, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya. I think we got it, right? I think we got it. That's enough